here today at Bournemouth University because we're installing the new slimline PLW6111 machine. The washer was needed because we've had an expansion of our laboratories up to 107 capacity of students. So in turn we needed to have the capacity to provide a turnaround of glassware, so hence our need for a new glass washer. It was an unusual installation because of the requirements of getting the machine into the building. The slimline is a taller machine than obviously the under-counter machine, so we had to take in the route that it takes through the campus. We measured the lift, the height of the lift, the width of the lift, just to make sure that it could get through up onto the second floor. So we chose a Miele system because we've used them before, found them to be very reliable. They've looked after the machines well, and Miele are known for their quality and their guarantees and how the machine will actually get a very good wash for them. On any Miele installation of our lab washers, the technicians will carry out a full training guide. They'll show the user on how to use the machine, what the capabilities are, and how to actually change the racks and the accessories needed.
To prime the systems, you press the menu button, and it'll scan through all the programs you've got. To cancel it, you have to press 2 buttons down, and the screen will tell you enter sequence, it's 2 and then 1. It is all in the instruction book if it ever does happen. All right.
Yeah. Excellent.
Happy?
Yes, very.
Fantastic, brilliant.
The machine itself comes with a year's warranty, and obviously there is the options to have service packages after that as well.
You ready?
We've gone to SLS. Again, we've found very good response. Customer service has been impeccable. There's been coordination with Miele staff as well. They've taken time to come out and visit us, advise us on what our requirements are and work with us to get the product that we needed to service our needs.